Alright guys, this is the vintage DIY model clock. As you can see, it is functional right now. Very vintage looking, and this is the box that it comes in. Very nice for a gift for people that love actually building things, or a hobbyist, stuff like that. So we'll just open it. I'm just trying to open it with one hand at the moment. Opens it like this. It's kind of has like a magnetic side to it that it clips onto, and this is the actual assembly instructions. So comprehensive, well detailed instructions. As you can see, it stopped because I stopped winding, and then yeah, very detailed instructions, and under that is where the actual parts come in, like these little sleeves here, but they're not in there because it's already built. So that should get pretty good, pretty nice gift. And if you love vintage and modeling as a hobby, this is the perfect gift for them or yourself.